Solid catalyst. Catalyst composition. Active site where the reactions occur mostly metal oxide, promoter, taxol promoter, example aluminium, ferrous for NH2 production, electric and structural modifier, poison resistant promoters, super sport carrier, increased mechanical strength, increased surface area, 98% surface area is supplied within the porous structure, may or may not be catalytically active. Solid catalyst, common example, some common solid sport carrier material, alumina, inexpensive, surface area 1 to 700 meter square per gram, other sports active site, titania, zirconia, magnesia, lanthana. Silica is inexpensive, surface area is 100 to 800 meter square per gram district. Zeolite, mixture of alumina and silica often exchange metal ion present, shape selective acidic. Solid catalyst, preparation of catalyst, precipitation to form non-soluble precipitate by desired reactions at certain pH and temperature, adsorption and ion exchange, cationic, anionic, impregnation, fill the pores of sport with a metal salt solution of sufficient concentration to give the correct loading, dry mixing, physically mixed, grind and fired. Solid catalyst, preparation of catalyst needed to be calcined, fired in order to decompose the precursor and to receive desired thermal stability. The effects of calcination, temperature and time are shown in the figure on the right. Commonly used pre-treatments, reduction, if elemental metal is the active phase, sulfidation, if a metal sulfide is the active phase, activation. Some catalysts require certain activation steps in order to receive the best performance. Even when the oxide itself is the active phase, it may be necessary to pre-treat the catalyst prior to the reaction. Typical catalyst lifespan can be many years or few minutes. Adsorption on solid surface. Adsorption is a process in which molecules of gas or liquid phase land on, interact with and attach to solid surface. The inverse process of adsorption, the process in which adsorbed molecule escape from solid surface, is called desorption. Molecules can attach to surface in two different ways because of the different forces involved. These are the physisorption, physical adsorption, and chemisorption, chemical adsorption. Force in physisorption, van der Waals, chemisorption, chemical bond. Number of adsorbed layers, multi, only one layer. Adsorption heat, low, 10 to 40 kilojoule per mole. Chemisorption, high, greater than 40 kilojoule per mole. Selectivity, physisorption, low, chemisorption, high. Temperature to occur, physisorption, low, chemisorption, high. Adsorption on solid surface, adsorption process, adsorbent and adsorbate. Adsorbent, also called substrate, the solid that provides surface for adsorption. High surface area with proper pore structure and size distribution is essential. Good mechanical strength and thermal stability are necessary. Adsorbate, the gas or liquid substances which are to be adsorbed on solid. Surface coverage theta. The solid surface may be completely or partially covered by adsorbed molecule. Adsorbent heat definition, number of adsorption sites occupied divided by number of adsorption sites available. its value is 0 to 1. Adsorption is usually exothermic. In special cases, the associated adsorption can be endothermic. The heat of chemisorption is in the same order of magnitude of reaction heat. The heat of physisorption is in the same order of magnitude of condensation heat.